In this episode, we try out the Qantas Lounge at Sydney Airport.
We go shopping for provisions.
We have a breathtaking day out at the Mosman Gorge, leading to the Daintree Forest.
Is that a rainforest?
It is a rainforest.
And we take a boat trip in the Daintree River and visit Cape Tribulation.
The Qantas Lounge was absolutely beautiful. The food there was amazing. There was a vast array of different things to eat. We opted for the continental breakfast and there was lots of different things that you could have from there. We had fresh fruit and yoghurt. We also made some fresh toast there as well. It was just gorgeous.
And as you can see, we tried most of it. Okay, we're now heading to gate 9, Sydney Airport, catching the flight to Cairns. So we're looking forward to this one.
Okay, now. Quick pick of car there. Thanks so much. Hey, Scott, sorry to bother you now, mate. You're getting a car seat in row 30, 30 Alpha.
This was some of the best aeroplane food that we'd had. We had a really tasty Cornish pasty with some tomato relish, and it was washed down with dark and stormies.
Drew made us feel extremely welcome on the flight, and he did that to everyone who came on board. This is warm.
Yeah, it feels like a humid heat here.
Welcome to Cairns. Oh, it's so hot. What a difference. We just arrived at Southern Cross Apartments in Cairns, room 1035. There's Peg.
Hello.
This is our first look. This is our room. Nice bed. Oh, with fridge.
It's all nice and neat and clean.
Yeah. A lot hotter than Sydney, it has to be said. Very noticeable as soon as we got off the plane. I'm not sure Peg's going to be doing a lot of cooking, but let's have a look in the bathroom. Nice clean shower, fair enough. Now it sounds like from what reception said that there are 3 pools here. So let's just go and have a look on the balcony and just see what we can see. Okay. Ooh, no, it's totally warm. gosh. Yeah, so this is home for 3 days, so we're just going to settle in now and put all our luggage somewhere. We're just venturing out of our beautifully air-conditioned room for the first time since we got here. It's rather hot and humid. How do you feel, Peg?
Hot and humid.
Going now to see if we can find a supermarket. So we believe there's one close by.
Hear all kinds of strange sounding birds. Sounds great. I was looking for a pair of cheap flip-flops, or thongs as they're known in Australia, and elsewhere they're called jandals, and I managed to find a pair for $1.50 in Kmart.
We've noticed there's a Woolworths in here, and we've got to check this out because we haven't had a Woolworths in the UK for some significant time now. Is it going to be a pick and mix? Let's find out. Okay, turns out that Woolworths isn't a pick and mix. It's actually a supermarket, so we've just done our shopping. Anyway, here's Peg.
I'm just looking at the sign there. Does that say what I think it says?
I think it does.
Next morning we were up early. We were going out for a trip. We were going to go to the Mossman Valley, Cape Tribulation and the Daintree Forest. So Mosman Gorge is the entrance to the Daintree Forest, which is a World Heritage listed site, and it's also a place where you can go for guided Dreamtime walks with Indigenous people. The Daintree Rainforest is the oldest rainforest in the world, and it's older than the Amazonian rainforest by millions of years. In the Mosman River there are insect-eating fish, eels, platypus and turtles. It can be a dangerous place to swim though, as 4 people have drowned this year, mainly due to slipping on the rocks. There's no mobile service, so help is limited.
Peg, are you looking forward to the swing bridge?
No.
Peg, you ready for the crocodile?
Yeah. Ready for some croc spotting?
Yes. We'll see these crocs.
Got a Papuan frogmouth up in her nest here. I'll put my green light on. A bit like an owl. So those little guys have got a unique way of hunting too. So their saliva's got a sweet scent to it and it's sticky. So when they want a little snack, they just open their mouth and the bugs are attracted to the scent of their saliva and they get stuck inside their mouth. Sticking up out of the water and on the bank. Now they're called pneumatophores and they're part of the root systems of the mangroves. So mangroves have got a couple of things to overcome. One is salt in the water and the other is poor oxygen in the mud because they're covered for 12 hours a day. Now for these guys to breathe they'll send up these pneumatophores and at low tide they're all exposed and that's how they exchange oxygen.
We've seen crocodiles, we've seen spiders. I think it keeps dinosaurs next.
We're just on a lookout post at the moment. We've just been looking down at the Daintree River that we've just had a river cruise on with a really great guy called Adam.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So we've seen a couple of little crocs. We've seen a golden orb spider, and now we go off to look for more spiders.
You forgot about the frog mouth.
We also did see the frog mouth.
Up in the tree.
A bit like an owl.
Sitting on its nest. Yay!
Yeah, so now we're off to find more spiders. Hooray, hooray.
And eat lunch.
And lunch. Look, there's a spider, but it's only a little one. Look.
That's a dome spider.
Oh.
So see his web, how he's got a little dome inside it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So, oh, there's one. Alright, I'm going to have to very upset him to show you, because he's on the other side of this plant and he is having a feed right now.
Oh, wow.
Don't spit at me. No, not yet.
Wow.
So this is a peppermint stick insect, guys.
This is the only place in the world where two World Heritage Sites meet. The tropical rainforests of Daintree and the Great Barrier Reef. Blue stain vinegar is available to treat jellyfish stings, and it's coloured blue to stop people taking it for culinary use.
The jellyfish warnings are followed by another for crocodiles. They advise you to keep away from the water, as attacks may cause injury or death. There's warning signs that are crocodiles in this water behind us, but it's incredible that people ignore them and they're actually swimming in the sea.
Yeah.
Even though
They can see there's big signs.
big signs, do not swim here.
Before Captain Cook was Captain Cook, he was Lieutenant James Cook, and on the 10th of June in 1770, his ship scraped a reef north of the East Cape. He tried to steer away from the coast into deeper water. The ship ran aground again on what's now known as Endeavour Reef. It was really badly damaged and desperate measures were needed to prevent it from foundering until it was refloated the next day. Cook had recorded in his diary, the North Point was named Cape Tribulation because here begun all our troubles.
Don't it? Oh, look how daring I am. Paddling with the crocs.
Have you seen that bit in Crocodile Dundee? Next time, we take a boat out to the Great Barrier Reef and visit the Low Isles.
Swimming with tropical fish, turtles, and try our hand at snorkeling.